That was recording at all. How is that not recording? Oh, I thought I was recording the whole time.
Oh, dude. Oh, dude.
I saw you do that.
Oh, dude. Thanks, dude. Is it recording now? I've got dogs back.
Oh yeah, like Mike Dirnt said, dude. You think something along the lines of the dogs are gonna take over the world in the future.
Oh, dude, I got
And
a text.
they're coming in every which angle. That way. Over there.
Hey, what's up?
Over through there.
Alex, dude.
Right there.
Alex.
Definitely right there.
Dude.
Oh, and I guess still back there. And
Dude.
I fucking told you. There's a dog.
That was pretty fast. We could take it. He's enslaved the
What
human.
did I effing
He's
tell
enslaved
you?
the human.
You can see that Mike
Hey, you got some.
Mike is fucking right. Oh God, see?
Oh
They're attacking each other. And that guy.
no. Oh no.
Fucking hey, they're rallying people up. They see more humans.
Ow.
They know we're hiding. Oh my God!
I would have jumped.
Michael Ryan Pritchard was right.
Come on,
Make
Beagle.
him go away.
Sausage Beagle. Get on the thing.
Oh my God! Another dog.
Two more
guys.
humans that they've enslaved.
What did I fucking tell you?
Dude, they're planning right now.
They're planning.
Right there. Over there.
He's over there.
Planning.
Now they're talking. So we find another fucking dog. See, right as it goes. No, dude. No, we need ducks, man. Ducks are dog proof. Dude, there's just a fucking another dog. Dude, I say fuck a lot.
Dude, I'm really stoned.
Why else would I be doing this right now?
Dude, I'm stoned a lot.
You gotta put this on YouTube.
Dude.
A fucking other dog. I can see its tail wagging up there.
I'm so stoned.
Okay, I gotta stop this.
A lot of the time. No, dude, Alex, I don't